In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Carrd. First, head over to the Carrd website in your browser. Once you're there, open your dashboard and select the site you want to edit. This takes you into the builder where you can add and arrange elements on your page. With your project open, look for the Add button in the editor. Click it, and from the list of elements, choose Image. This tells Carrd you want to place a new image block on your page. Next, click Upload and pick the image from your computer. Carrd supports common formats like JPG and PNG, so choose a file that's already optimized for the web to keep your page fast. Larger images can slow things down, so if your file is huge, consider compressing it beforehand for a snappier site experience. After the image loads, you'll see a frame or crop area around it. Adjust the frame to focus on the exact portion you want to display. You can reposition the image within the frame and resize the frame to fine-tune the crop. When it looks right, click Accept to apply the crop. On the side panel, you'll see settings for the image. Use the title field to give your image a short, meaningful description. This can help with accessibility and provide context when the image can't load. If you want the image to be clickable, add a link URL. Paste the full address to ensure it works correctly. Now switch to the Appearance tab. Here you can customize how the image looks on the page. Adjust the shape to square, circle, or rounded corners, and set the alignment to left, center, or right to match your layout. You can also tweak the size to keep proportions consistent with your design and refine spacing so the image sits neatly with surrounding content. Small changes here can make a big visual difference. When you're happy with the settings, click Done to save the element's configuration. Back on the canvas, drag the image to position it exactly where you want. You can place it within a section, next to text, or above a heading. Take a moment to align it with nearby content so everything feels balanced and intentional. That's it. You've added an image, cropped it, customized its appearance, and placed it on your page. Follow these same steps for any additional images you want to include, and keep your file sizes reasonable for the best performance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Carrd.